Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the traffic on the road. Here we go. Looking to get past this vehicle, but the gap is a little bit tight. Waiting. There we go. Just going to space for me. Thank you. People see you on the road. That gives you a little bit of confidence that they're not going to surprise you with a lane change or anything that might put you at risk. Always moving forward, always moving a little bit quicker than the traffic in order to avoid getting caught behind a vehicle or next to a vehicle that suddenly changed the lane. Two big vehicles like this. There we go, he's made a space here for me. I'll just be careful. Thank you. Greeting my fellow biker friends on the road. As always, looking after each other. You break down, there's always somebody there to help you. Always somebody there to give you a helping hand, and I'll do the same. Cold weather today, can't even see the nice early morning power. Yeah, it's nice to always have people on the road that care, like a brotherhood, as they say. It's Friday. The roads are actually quite quiet this morning, which is unusual for Friday, but it's a week before the end of the month. I'm watching these two vehicles, making sure, because that woman was standing kind of in his view, so I always slow down when proceeding through an intersection or where there's a vehicle trying to come over the road. I like to slow down if I see this vehicle coming over here. Luckily it's a small vehicle, so it didn't take up the whole lane. Got to be careful. People trying to get around other vehicles that are standing on the side picking up people. So just remember, always remember, it's not always safe to overtake. See, this bus here is trying to make space for this vehicle standing there, so I made a lot of gap in case he came over. Anyway, what I was saying was, always ride as if nobody sees you on the road, because that way you're always cautious. Just remember that if your mindset is in a way that they don't see you, then you'll be more careful. Coming over intersections, always a very dangerous part on the road. So I try to always think that everybody is not aware of me. That way I always slow down. I'm always watching their movements till I pass them, like here. I'd say like a red flag for something on the road is watching for people's movements on the road. See if there's truck over here, I can't just push in until I know it's safe to come past here because it's quite tight. It's a big vehicle. Now that it's standing still, I can come past. They see me standing here. It's important just to make sure that whoever's on the road sees you. Somebody's rolling forward when you come over an intersection, slow down, make sure they stop before you come through. Put yourself in a position where you can stop in time. And not just say, oh, I hope they see me. No. Say to yourself, okay, they see me. Or at least they look like they see me. See pedestrians coming through here, the space in the road here, a very dangerous section where vehicles come over and they don't see you when you come through there because you're usually hidden behind other vehicles, so they don't see you. They just come over thinking it's clear, forgetting that a motorcycle could be here, could be coming through the traffic. So I ride in a way that always make sure. Normally I would come through here, but this person is taking up all the road, so be safe, hold back until it's safer to come past. I always ride with a mindset that people don't see you, so you ride with a mindset of not wanting to take anything for granted. Try to keep that always in mind. Try to read the traffic. Check your blind spot. Concentrate on the road. Try never to zone out. If you're a person that zones out a lot in your normal life, in your car, don't get a motorcycle. You can't afford to zone out. You can't afford to take anything for granted. Even though everybody's standing here making a right turn, I'm making sure they're not deciding, oh wait a minute, I'm supposed to be turning left, and catch you off guard. Can't take anything that people do, like making sure now that this woman wasn't going to come, or this person wasn't going to come over the road into this lane because it's shorter. Everybody over here in this section is going to be trying to come over to the left here. So I'm going to ride watching they don't come over to the left as I come through, and I come through here until I get to where they start to join each other. Then I move over to the right, like so. Now I'm out of the way of all vehicles. Even if somebody stops late, they're not going to go into the back of me because I'm on the side of the road. A good idea to keep moving ahead of the traffic. That way they will see you better. Thank you. Don't sit in one position all the time, because you can end up in somebody's blind spot they don't know, and next minute they make a last minute decision to turn, and there you're in the way and in a predicament. Always ride heads up, eyes open, and looking for any situation that could become dangerous for you. Keeping a guarding distance. Somebody's driving in a manner that you feel makes you feel a bit unsafe. It's best just to stay away from them, or get around them, get away from them. about staying in a safe space on the road. A space where there's nobody around you that can endanger you. Because remember, one of the biggest dangers on the road is other vehicles. They're driving in big metal cages, literally. You are completely in the open and in danger around vehicles. If I'm going to do the center lane here now, next to these cars, I'm always looking to my left. I should say to my right, not my left, yeah. To my left, yeah. To make sure nobody's in the left lane trying to come past me as I move to the center. Like I'm doing there now. I came through on the left. This section can be tricky for people obviously learning the road, because some people are turning off in the left lane. Like, there's a spot now, I can take this because there's a gap here. Loose gravel, guys. Woo, dangerous. Looking out for gravel in the road. Not everybody has brake lights. So, yeah. So you don't want to get right into the back of somebody who don't have brake lights. So just always just watch the vehicle. Make sure that they are braking. Make sure that you see them braking. Just don't take a brake light as the only key to somebody braking. Actually, make sure they're braking. Watch the vehicle. Watch the pedestrians on the side. Make sure they see you as you come past. Dogs can really be tricky. It looks like an old dog, so you're not going to find that dog's going to be quickly running in the street. But younger dogs, sometimes they hear a motorcycle and they run in the road and want to chase you, run in front of you and cause you to crash. Happened to me already. Oncoming traffic like that, always make sure that it's safe to go over, to come past. There's the infamous hole in the road. This vehicle's a bit blocking me, so I'm just making sure that it's safe. Remember, it's not I'm not about driving a car where if I make a mistake, I'm going to have a fender bender. No, if I make a mistake, I could die. Don't make that mistake. Thanks guys for coming back to the channel. See you later. Bye.